So basically guys, a quick little video, there was a hole in the lace, and this is a teapot lace wig, and there was also a hole right here, but obviously you can see that I resolved that issue. But here now, as you can see, there's the hole. Oh wait, hold on, you see there's a hole there, and I've put lace glue like how you would usually put on your forehead to lay down your lace fronts. Yeah, that's what I put there. I don't have any needle and thread to, you know, go in and fix it the usual way, so I was like, why not go in and try this way and see if this works also. Cut out a little bit of lace from an old lace frontal wig. Just gonna literally just put it down directly where the hole is and the glue is and press it down. And let's see if I can mend that hole just like how I did this one. So here we go. Do it that way. Yeah, I'm gonna do it that way. Sorry guys, it's so hard because I haven't got a what's it called? I don't even speak. I don't have a phone holder, that's it. A phone holder to hold this, so don't come for me. So now I'm just gonna press it down.
It's the tea on the beat.
You know, like this happens to majority of us, like, you know, we're so rough with our wigs, but you know, we gotta be careful out here guys. We can't be losing money like this. Do you get it? So instead of, you know, us wasting our coins, losing money, you know, how about we try and resolve the issue when, you know, it comes to problems with our lace wigs? You know, sometimes you just gotta think, what can I do to, you know, resolve this? And sometimes you just gotta think within yourself, like, you know, no, I'm not just gonna throw this wig in the trash. I'm actually gonna make this wig look good. Same thing as if your wig was to get matted, like hella matted. You know, you go and boil the wig, put in some hair shampoo or whatever, and it comes out looking brand new, like as if you just bought it. Same thing when it comes to ripping your lace. Like, you gotta always find a solution to everything, because you can't be spending money like joke, because it's just not healthy. So I just feel like this is a better solution and a cheaper way to fix your lace, because not everybody has money to be spending on wigs, and that's straight facts. Yeah, I'm trying to help y'all out here. Gotta save our wigs, and that's period, poo. And we just gotta handle our wigs with care. We can't be rough, because some laces on wigs are very, very delicate, very, very delicate, and we can't be afforded to be ripping our laces like this, like with our heavy hands. We got to take time and care, like as if this was our own hair, you know. So yeah guys, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our blow dryer to set everything. that's what it's looking like so far, as you can see. Let's turn it around and see. So yeah, you guys, this is what the pattern is looking like now. All restored, fixed, happy with it, no complaints. Just looks brand new to me. I'm happy with it. So if you ever run into this problem, like I said before, try out this little hack, see how it works for you. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up if it did work for you, and also if you enjoyed this video. And yeah guys, remember, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the inside, but don't worry about that because nobody's seen inside of your wig cap when you put it on, so don't worry too tough about it. But as long as it looks as natural as possible on, then you ain't got nothing to worry about, boo. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.